Welcome! If you're passionate about woodworking and want to turn that passion into a profitable business, you're in the right place. And in this course, I'll guide you step by step on how to start and grow your very own woodworking business from scratch. What you'll learn. In this course, we'll cover everything from the basics of setting up your workshop, choosing the right tools, understanding business finances, to marketing your products and scaling up your business. Let's dive in, and by the end, you'll be ready to start earning from your woodworking passion. Module 1, Setting the Foundation. Finding your niche. The woodworking industry is vast, so one of the first steps is choosing a niche. Do you want to make furniture, home decor, or custom pieces? Finding a niche is key to standing out in the market. Key points for finding niche. Research your market. Look for gaps in your local market or online demand. Match with passion. Align your niche with what you love doing. Competitor analysis. Study what others in your niche are doing to differentiate yourself. Take some time today to brainstorm and research your niche. Write down a few potential ideas that excite you. Setting up your workshop. Now that you've chosen your niche, let's talk about creating your workspace. Whether you have a garage, a shed, or a rented space, it's essential to set up an efficient and safe workshop. Key points for setting up workshop. Space planning. Maximize space for tools, materials, and projects. Essential tools. Start with basic woodworking tools and expand as your business grows. Safety. Invest in safety gear like goggles, dust collectors, and proper ventilation. Take stock of your current workspace and think about what changes you need to make it functional and safe for your business. Module 2, The Business Basics. Business Planning 101. Every successful business starts with a solid plan. In this section, we'll cover how to write a business plan for your woodworking business. Key points for business planning. Define your vision. What do you want to achieve with your business? Target audience. Who will buy your products? Research their needs. Revenue streams. Identify how you'll make money, custom orders, online sales, craft fairs, etc. Start drafting a simple business plan. Outline your niche, target audience, and your financial goals. Legalities and paperwork. Let's talk about the not-so-fun, but crucial part, legal and financial paperwork. Key points for legalities and paperwork. Business structure. Should you be a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation? Weigh the pros and cons. Licensing and permits. Research local regulations for home-based businesses and woodworking. Taxes. Understand sales tax, income tax, and how to track expenses. Check with your local government to understand the requirements for starting a business, and start getting the paperwork in order. Module 3, Marketing and Sales. Building a brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from other woodworkers. It's not just your logo, but your story and how customers perceive your work. Key points for marketing and sales. Craft your story. Why did you start woodworking? Share your journey to connect with customers. Logo and name. Keep it simple and memorable. Create a logo that reflects your style. Consistency. Use the same colors, fonts, and messaging across all platforms. Brainstorm your brand story and start thinking about a logo that resonates with your audience. Pricing your work. Pricing is one of the most challenging parts of running a woodworking business. You want to make a profit, but also stay competitive. Key points for pricing your work. Cost of materials and labor. Always account for your time and the cost of materials. Market rates. Research similar products in your niche. Profit margin. Ensure your price covers expenses with room for profit. Take a few of your completed pieces and practice pricing them using the formula we discussed. Test your pricing with potential customers. Module 4, Growth and Expansion. Expanding your product line. Once your business is running, it's time to think about scaling. Adding new products can help grow your customer base and increase revenue. Key points for growth and expansion. Customer feedback. Ask your existing customers what they'd like to see from you. Trends. Stay updated on woodworking and home decor trends. Collaborations. Partner with other artisans or businesses to expand your reach. Start planning your next product line. Use feedback and market research to guide your decisions. Marketing online. In today's digital world, having an online presence is essential for reaching new customers. Key points for marketing online. Social media strategy. Choose platforms where your audience spends time: Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. E-commerce. Set up an online store through platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. Content creation. Share behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, and product launches to engage with your audience. Create or refine your social media accounts and start posting content regularly. Consistency is key. Conclusion. Final thoughts and next steps. Congratulations! You now have all the tools and knowledge to start and grow your woodworking business. Recap. We've covered everything from setting up your workshop to branding, pricing, and expanding your product line. Now, it's time to take action. Final call to action. Take the next step, whether that's finalizing your business plan, launching your first product, or diving into marketing. Your woodworking business journey starts now. Make sure to subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone. If you want to learn more about woodworking, carpentry, and everything in between,